Join me as I take on the challenge of making money fast and see if I can actually become a millionaire by 2025. The idea of making money quickly and becoming a millionaire by 2025 is a tantalizing one, and it's no wonder why so many people are drawn to it. After all, who wouldn't want to live a life of financial freedom and security? The thought of being able to afford anything you want, travel wherever you please, and live life on your own terms is incredibly appealing. And the best part is, it's not just a pipe dream. With the right mindset and strategies, it's totally achievable. One of the biggest obstacles that holds people back from achieving financial success is misconceptions about how to make money quickly. We've all seen those get-rich-quick schemes and scams that promise the world but deliver nothing but empty promises. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and believe that making money quickly is somehow synonymous with taking shortcuts or cutting corners. But the truth is, there's no shortcut to success. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to put in the effort required to achieve your financial goals. Another major barrier to wealth accumulation is the fear of failure. We're often so afraid of taking risks or trying new things because we're scared of not succeeding. But the thing is, failure is an inevitable part of the journey to success. Every successful person has experienced failure at some point or another. It's how we learn and grow from those experiences that matters. So, if you're afraid of failure, let me tell you, it's okay to fail. It's okay to take risks and try new things, even if they don't work out. Because the truth is, the only way you'll ever truly fail is if you give up. People often think that making money quickly is reserved for those who are already wealthy or well-connected. But that's simply not true. Anyone can make money quickly, regardless of their background or circumstances. It's all about having the right mindset and being willing to put in the work. Delving into the world of making money quickly, one of the most effective strategies is investing. Investing in the stock market, real estate, or other assets can provide a significant return on your investment, but it does require some financial knowledge and risk-taking. Another strategy is starting a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or offering services, having a side hustle can provide an additional stream of income that can help you reach your financial goals faster. And finally, leveraging your skills is another key strategy. Whether it's creating and selling an online course, offering consulting services, or simply getting paid for doing something you're good at, leveraging your skills can be a lucrative way to make money quickly. When it comes to investing, one of the most important things to keep in mind is diversification. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, so to speak. Spread your investments across different asset classes, and make sure you have a long-term strategy in place. Don't be tempted to try to time the market or make quick profits. It's a recipe for disaster. Instead, focus on slow and steady wins, and let compounding do its magic. Another key strategy for making money quickly is having a strong online presence. Whether it's through social media, a blog, or a YouTube channel, having an online presence can help you reach a wider audience and generate income through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. And the best part is, it's easier than ever to get started. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. But here's the thing, making money quickly isn't just about the strategies you use. It's also about the mindset you have. You need to be willing to put in the work, take risks, and face your fears head on. You need to be resilient, adaptable, and open to learning and growth. Because the truth is, making money quickly isn't just about the money, it's about becoming the person you need to be in order to achieve your financial goals. So, what's the most effective method or strategy that has proven successful for others? Well, in my opinion, it's creating and selling an online course. Not only can you monetize your skills and expertise, but you can also scale your income to reach a wider audience. And the best part is, it's not just limited to teaching, you can create an online course on anything from cooking to coding. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for earning is huge. But here's the thing, creating an online course isn't just about throwing together some videos and calling it a day. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to put in the effort required to create something of high value. You need to be willing to learn, adapt, and improve, and you need to be open to feedback and criticism. Because the truth is, creating an online course is a journey, not a destination. And the only way you'll ever truly succeed is if you're willing to put in the work. If you're serious about making money quickly and becoming a millionaire by 2025, then you need to take action. You need to start taking risks, trying new things, and putting in the effort required to achieve your financial goals. Don't let fear hold you back, and don't let misconceptions about making money quickly stop you from pursuing your dreams. Because the truth is, making money quickly is within your reach, you just need to be willing to do whatever it takes to get there. By now, I hope you've got a better idea of what it takes to make money quickly and become a millionaire by 2025. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about putting in the work, taking risks, and being willing to learn and grow. So, what do you think? Are you up for the challenge? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on making money quickly, and be sure to check out another video on financial tips to continue your journey to financial freedom.